I've played so many games. I should have been building a project for the AI eventually come to my job. Then an idea popped into my head. What if I create a game where I need to write code instead of click so that I can improve my coding skill while I'm playing the game? I thought I'm the first who ever think of this, but turns out there are plenty of programming games like Script, Code Combat, and almost replaced. Well, well, that's great. My idea was not original, but what if I mix them up and try to create my own version of the game? Normally, if you want to build a game, you would use a game engine like Unreal, Unity, or Godot, but I have never touched any of them. So instead, I'm gonna stick with what I already know because I have spent years writing JavaScript and golang code. Do you think it's a bad idea? Well, yes. The concept was simple. You write code, then the unit moves. But then came the big question. What's programming language that the player should write in? I consider languages like JavaScript, Lua, and Python. And I think Python will fit well in my game, not because it's perfect, because writing Python is as simple as writing plain English. But how do you run Python inside the Golang server? Unfortunately, Python can't run because they don't have text. My first idea was the dumbest one, because exec Python it worked, but it was slow, fragile, and massive security hole. Therefore, I tried throwaway microservices, Docker containers, and RPC. I built Python sandbox server that was clean and fast. But I'm a solo dev. I was spending more time managing infrastructure than actually building a game. Then, I tried asking the AI how to run Python inside a Golang server. They said, you can't, it doesn't have legs. I'm kidding. It suggested that I install it. It looks like Python and feels like Python, but it's designed to embed it as a process for containers with logic running directly inside the server. With the server down, I felt confident, which was good, because then I started building the game client. I just React and 3JS. I searched the internet and asked AI how to use 3JS properly. Then I tried to write code myself since I was learning. After several hours of coding, then I probably had a thing. That's it. I suddenly realized that I couldn't model a 3D object yet. Luckily, I found this incredible asset by Paint. You can check this work at itch.io. Then I added a tree, building, some grasses, with character. Connected to the game server, I used WebSocket. It took a long time, but eventually it worked. You can build a house, you can explore the fort, and fight enemies using nothing but the logic you wrote. So a prototype is definitely evolved, and it's missing a lot of features, but it's playable. And that is how I solved my gaming addiction. If you are a programmer like me, and you feel stuck, and you don't know what to build, try solving your own problem. It doesn't have to be the first of its kind, it doesn't have to be perfect. At least it's a working prototype, because what you need to do is to start building, start learning, and stop overthinking. Thank you.